Hi, my name is Hyerin and I am a student from class of 2024. I would say providing the IB diploma was the one that had the largest impact, providing ready for me as a future. Because by writing 4,000 essay and different 6 multiple IAs really helped me in terms of academic writing and research, which will definitely benefit my learning in university as well. Before joining BIS, I didn't know that the school has so much opportunities that I can do. For example, the secondary production that I did 4 years in a straight, I never thought that I would be able to do such a big program before joining the school. And also, DOE, the Duke of Edinburgh, I never expect that I would be camped 2 nights and 3 days in a row without being able to use convenient facilities. So that will be memorable for my entire life. Actually, I refuse to say it as a failure because I think it was a part of my progress in my learning journey. It was the time when I first joined the school as a person who never been to international school before. This English-rich environment and all new learning materials were really unfamiliar to me, and I struggled a lot because of my lack of English skills. But the fact that I could overcome this challenge was actually facing these challenges. For example, even though I could speak in Korean with my friends, I always spoke in English with my closest friends when I first came to school, and that really helped me to overcome this challenge. I've done a lot of CAS experiences during my IB, and the most favorite one was the fact that I led different CCAs. During 2 years, of course, I led 4 different CCAs from coding to student magazine. And from that experience, I liked it because I could realize the one that I wanted to do in our school, and also with different friends who have the same interest with me. And I think that improved my leadership skills and organizing as well. Being a prefect was also challenging for me, but also it was my goal as a student in the school. The one skill that I developed the most would be the public speaking. Before I became a prefect, I would never had a chance to actually speak in front of such a large audience, and I was actually a little bit afraid of that experience. But after doing multiple assemblies and standing in front of the large audience, I developed my public speaking a lot, and I think that will also help me moving on to my university as well. Just one fact that actually helped me going through those struggles was help from my friends and teachers, because those CCAs and prefect committee works I didn't do all by myself, but actually we did as a team. And this collaboration really helped me to share the workload and support each other, and that really helped me. And also teachers, I had to miss a lot of lessons due to different responsibility, but they were all very considerate and kind, so they support me catching up those works, so that really helped me. I'll be studying computer science in university in Korea and explore artificial intelligence and software engineering.